am going to tell you a story of Anju and the swing. Everyone loves swing? Right, very good. Then it is a story of the girl Anju and the swing. Here is Anju and this is her friend Tanu. Anju and Tanu were 6-year-olds like you, studied at the same school. Like you all are friends and you are studying in the same school. Same, Anju and Tanu are 6-year-old and they studied in the same school. They were also best friends and they are neighbors also. There was a big park next to their house and they would play every evening. Every day, every evening they play together in their park which is there next to their home. The park had many rides. There were giraffe, elephant shaped, were slides, a merry-go-round where they could sit on the backs of wooden horses and spin around till they become dizzy, and brightly colored swing in the sand pit. There are so many things like giraffe and elephant shapes slides, and there are so many things. They have a wooden horses and they have a disability colored swings in the park. They spent most of the playtime on the swings because they love to swing. As the park was just next to their house, their mothers would sometimes leave them unattended or alone. As their house is near to the park, so their mother can leave them alone. Whenever this happened, Anju, who was naughtier than Tanu. Anju is very naughty than Tanu, but they would try to swing higher and higher. She would encourage Tanu to do the same, but Tanu always said of him no. So her mom had explained to her the danger it involved. Anju is very naughty. Then she swings very high and she encouraged. She said to Tanu, "You can take also high." But Tanu always said no. Anju would then tease her, calling her a Freddy cat and scaredy. Sometimes you say something to your friend and he or she can say no. Then what you do? Yes, you can tease. Same, Anju teased her by saying Freddy cat and scaredy. Mouse and other hurtful words like this. She using word cat, scaredy like this. And the other children also joined the fun and teased Tanu. And there are so many kids in the park. They also come and join the Tanu and they tease the Tanu. Tanu felt sad. She becomes sad. If somebody tease you, you can become sad. Now this is a bad habit. Sometimes she felt like crying. Sometimes she crying. But because her mom had told her she was a brave girl who had not to have proof she could not swing high, she never participated in swinging competition to prove Anju wrong. Okay, then she feels crying, but her mother told her that you are my strong girl. You don't have to show Anju that you can swing high. You are my brave girl like this. She ignored Anju and moved over to the slides on the merry-go-round. She ignored the Anju and go to the slides and other swings and slides. As Tanu swung higher and higher, she made more and more fun for her friend. Tanu swung so high that sometimes the other children thought she would fly into the air and bump her head on a cloud. She is swinging so much high, other children thought she can touch her head to the sky. Then one day, as Anju swung higher, she decided to imitate a monkey she had seen in a zoo and let go of one hand. Oh my God! One day she thought she can swing high and go, and she decided that she can see monkey in the zoo let go by one hand. But as she did so, lost her grip and flew into the air like a rocket. All the children in the park waited to see if she would fly up high enough to bump her head. But that did not happen. Then Anju fell face first at the edge of the sand pit, which was rather hard. She can get fall, and she had get a hurt on her face. Her face looked like a ripe tomato, and her hands were badly hurt. Her howling made her all moms and dads rush to her side. She had to be taken to the hospital, where she had to get stitched and bandaged. Then, when she finally returned to the park, she refused to go close to the swing. No one ever heard her tease Tanu again. She can get a lesson. If she swing high, then she can get fall down. So, what is the lesson? What is the moral of the story? That you don't have to swing so much high, and the most important thing, you don't have to tease anyone. Okay, children? Very good. Bye.